In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT. First things first, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you usually use. This step is crucial because ChatGPT is an online tool, and you need internet access to use it effectively. Once you have your browser open, you'll need to navigate to ChatGPT's website. Simply type the web address in the address bar and hit enter. Alternatively, you might have it saved as a favorite or bookmark if it's something you use regularly. Now, when you arrive at the ChatGPT homepage, you'll be prompted either to log into your existing account or create a new one if you haven't signed up yet. Creating an account is quick and simple, requiring just a few personal details, or you can log in using your existing credentials. Once logged in, you'll see the ChatGPT dashboard. Here, you'll notice a prominent button labeled New Chat. Go ahead and click that to start interacting with the AI. Next, direct your attention to the message box at the bottom of your screen. This is where the magic happens. Type your question or instruction here. You can ask anything from tell me a joke to more complex instructions like summarize this article. ChatGPT is quite versatile in its responses, so feel free to explore different types of queries. After you've composed your message, simply press the enter key on your keyboard. This sends your inquiry to the AI, and you'll see a response appear right in your chat window in just a few moments. Following that, if you have additional questions or want further clarification, don't hesitate to ask follow-up questions. The conversation is designed to be seamless and continuous, so keep the ideas flowing. ChatGPT can handle back-and-forth interactions just like a natural conversation. For users looking to utilize the more advanced features, ChatGPT supports additional input types like file uploads and even image inputs if applicable. These advanced features can expand the ways you leverage ChatGPT in your projects or inquiries, allowing a richer and more diverse interaction. Once you're done chatting and want to save the conversation for later, you have several exporting options. You can export the chat as a PDF, PNG, or even HTML file, depending on your needs. This flexibility is useful for sharing information or keeping records of your chats. Finally, if you simply need to use some of the text in another application, you can easily copy the text you need and paste it wherever you like. In summary, using ChatGPT is a straightforward process that begins with accessing your browser and logging into your account, followed by engaging with the AI through the chat interface. Remember, whether it's basic interactions or using more advanced features, ChatGPT is here to assist, respond, and make your digital interactions more dynamic. Happy chatting!